The reason I'm here today is because personally I've been so affected by the deteriorated air quality. I've been sick for the past 2-3 weeks. Continuously I have a cough, I keep falling sick, and the air quality is so bad. Right now I was checking it, it is 236 right now, which has crossed the severe limit. In a city like Navi Mumbai, where generally we have been so proud of the fact that we have a lot of trees here compared to other cities like Mumbai, but even over here the air quality has gotten so bad, and the NMMC, the government bodies, need to implement the policies that they already have in place, because the problem here is the lack of implementation, and that is what needs to happen to control this issue.
We are here basically to support this cause of clean air. It's not only our birthright, it's very important for our survival as well. The tree per capita tree cover is very low, the most important thing that Navi Mumbai needs today. And during the COVID, we have realized the importance of trees, but today we have ignored this. So it's very important for us to maintain the not only tree cover, keep increasing the tree cover, keep focusing on tree plantation and control pollution wherever it is happening. And it's very important for each one of us to join. And community building, as one of my friends said, is very important. Keep asking questions why this situation is so bad. Now this is election season. Please ask your corporators, whoever is coming to ask for their votes, ask him as to what he...
My name is Rufina, and I am one of the founders' mother. So AQI, I think, is getting really serious issue. We already are seeing what's happening in Delhi. Right now in Delhi, outside cars have been banned, and so many restrictions, truck traffic, transportation has come to a standstill because of AQI, because we have not taken it seriously, and I think it's just matter of time that this is going to happen in our Navi Mumbai itself. I stay in Panvel, right next to the airport, and in the last 2 years the AQI has gone for a toss because of the rampant construction that is happening. In the name of development, we are just not ready for what we are doing to the environment, and someday the environment is just going to, it's going to be a payback time for everybody. So I think it's time we take it seriously, start doing plantation. Panvel had a beautiful green cover, but under the name of development, we have made the airport and destroyed the entire green cover. Today it's like a brick and motor car city. So I think it's time we take this seriously, and BMC needs to do something about this.